Hello my dear students, I am very sure you might have completed all the work up to question number 13, exercise 2.2. Today I am going to give you just 3 questions, 14, 15 and 16, and these are the very important questions of this exercise. Okay, let us read question number 14 first of all. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So the ratio of the notes, number of notes is given, and the denomination is also given, and we will have to find the number of notes. So let us see how we are going to do. So as we know that if there is something in ratio, by taking a variable we can convert it into numbers. So 2:3:5 has become 2x, 3x and 5x by taking a variable x with it. So what we have written, let the number of 100 rupees notes is 2x, number of 50 rupees notes is 3x and number of 10 rupee notes is 5x. Now my dear students, if I am having 5 notes of 10 rupees, how much money do I have? अगर 10 रुपए के 5 नोट है मेरे पास तो कितने रुपए हैं मेरे पास? 10 इंटू 5, 50 रुपीज़. ओके, 100 रुपीज़ के 2 नोट्स हैं तो 100 इंटू 2, 200 रुपीज़. 50 रुपीज़ के 3 नोट्स हैं तो 50 इंटू 3, 150 rupees. So now what I am doing, I am going to find out the value of these notes. 3x नोट्स में कितने रुपए, 2x नोट्स में कितने रुपए और 5x नोट्स में कितने रुपए. सो वैल्यू ऑफ 100 रुपीज़ नोट्स निकालने के लिए जितने 100 रुपीज़ के नोट्स थे उसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. 2x इंटू 100, 200x. वैल्यू ऑफ 50 रुपीज़ नोट्स इज 50 इंटू 3x, 150x. and value of 10 rupees notes is 10 into 5x is 50x. So this all is the value of notes कि 200 रुपीज़ के 200x रुपीज़ हैं, 50 रुपीज़ के 150x रुपीज़ हैं और 10 रुपीज़ के 50x हैं. नाउ टोटल मनी शी हैड इज़ 4 लाख रुपीज़. और 4 लाख कहाँ से आएगा? 100, 200 और 50, 100, 50 और 10 के नोट्स मिलाकर. सो 200x प्लस 150x प्लस 50x इज इक्वल्स टू 4 लाख. दिस ऑल बिकम 400x. सो x इज 1000. सो 100 रुपीज़ के कितने नोट है? 2x. तो 2 इंटू 1000, 2000 नोट्स आर देयर ऑफ 100 रुपीज़. 3x नोट्स हैं 50 रुपीज़ के. सो 3 इंटू 100 इज 3000 नोट्स. and 5x are 10 rupees notes, so 5 into 1000 is 5000 notes of 110 rupees. So this way I am very sure this might have been clear in your mind. Now let me go to question number 15, which is also quite similar but with a bit difference. थोड़ा सा difference है 14 और 15 में. समझिए क्या है. I have a total of rupees 300 in coin. अब कॉइन्स के फॉर्म में 300 रुपीज़ है मेरे पास. ऑफ डिनोमिनेशंस रुपीज़ 1, 2 एंड 5. 1 रुपीज़ के कॉइन है, 2 रुपीज़ के कॉइन है और 5 रुपीज़ के कॉइन है. ठीक है. नंबर्स का क्या हिसाब है? द नंबर ऑफ रुपीज़ 2 कॉइन इज़ 3 टाइम्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ रुपीज़ 5 कॉइन. वो कह रहा है 2 रुपये के उतने कॉइन हैं जितने 2 रुपये के कॉइन 5 रुपीज़ के कॉइन से 3 टाइम्स है. 2 rupees coins are 3 times of 5 rupees coins and total coins are 160. Okay, so let us see. The total number of coins are 160. Let the number of 5 rupees coins be x. So 2 rupees coins will be 3 times, that is 3x, and 1 rupees coins will be 160 are the total coin. So let me subtract 2 rupees coins and 5 rupees coins. So I will get 1 rupees coin. So the same thing I did. I have subtracted 5 rupees coin and 2 rupees coins from that. So I got 160 minus 4x is 1 rupees coin. like the previous question, I am finding the value of these coins. Value of 5 rupees coins will be 5 into x, 5x. Value of 2 rupees coins will be 2 into 3x, 6x. And value of 1 rupees coin will be 1 into 160 minus 4x, that is 160 minus 4x. And total money I had is rupees 300. How I will get this? 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equals to 300. 5x plus 6x is 11 minus 4x is 7x plus 160 is equals to 300. 160 will go with 300, so I got 7x is equals to 140 and x is equals to 20. So the number of 5 rupees coins will be 20. Number of 2 rupees coins is 3x, that is 3 into 20, 60 coins. And number of 1 rupees coin is 160 minus 4x. In place of x I have kept 20, so 4 into 20 is 80. 160 minus 80 is 80. Hence I got 80 coins of rupees 1. So this way I got the solution of question number 15. Now let us see question number 16. What question number 16 is saying? The organizers of an essay competition decide that the winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100. Okay, winner will get a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. Okay, the total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total participants are 63. टोटल पार्टिसिपेंट 63 हैं. विच जीतने वाले को 100 रुपीज़ का प्राइज़, ना जीतने वाले को 25 रुपीज़ का प्राइज़. और टोटल मनी इज टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इज रुपीज़ 3000. So total number of prizes are 63. Let the number of 100 rupees prizes be x. So the number of 25 rupees prizes will be, total are 63, x subtract कर देते हैं, 63 minus x will be the 25 rupees prize winner. The value of 100 rupees prize will be 100 into x and value of 25 rupees prize, like the notes one, 25 into 63 minus x. That comes 1575 minus 25x. और दोनों को मिलाकर कितना होना चाहिए? 3000. So the same thing I did. 100x plus 1575 minus 25x is equals to 3000. 100 minus 25 is 75 and 1575 is subtracted from 3000. I got 1425. On division I got 19. So the number of 100 rupees prizes be 19 and the number of 25 rupees prizes will be 63 minus 19, 44. All the three questions are merely similar. There is a bit difference in amongst all the three. Keep noting them down, solve them. And why I am giving you just 3 questions today? Because I want that you should solve all the examples also before the exercises 2.2 given. So you will have to solve these 3 questions and all the examples before exercise 2.2. Okay, so this much is your homework for today, and tomorrow we will start exercise 2.4. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe.